Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Instinct 2 GPS. To begin, simply press the control button on the top left to power on your device. Next, use the up and down buttons on the left side to scroll through the language options, then press the GPS button to select. Finally, pair your watch with your compatible smartphone using the Garmin Connect app for full functionality and data syncing. This initial setup is quick and easy. Your Instinct 2 is a powerful navigation tool. To start, press the GPS button from the watch face and select an activity. You can save your current location by holding the GPS button for a few seconds, which is great for marking important spots. If you ever need to retrace your steps, the Track Back feature will guide you back to your starting point. Plus, built-in ABC sensors provide essential altimeter, barometer, and compass data for your outdoor adventures. The Garmin Instinct 2 excels at tracking your activities and health. Simply press the GPS button to access and start an activity, choosing from over 30 preloaded sports profiles, including running, cycling, and swimming. It continuously monitors your heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and body battery energy throughout the day. This rugged watch is also water-rated to 100 meters, making it perfect for all your aquatic pursuits. One of the standout features of the Instinct 2 is its incredible battery life. Solar models can offer potentially unlimited power in smartwatch mode with sufficient sun exposure. Even standard models provide up to 28 days of use in smartwatch mode. For extended adventures, the Power Manager allows you to customize settings. And in GPS mode, solar versions can last up to 48 hours, ensuring your watch keeps up with your longest expeditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.